Gia Long is the upper reaches of the system of three waterfalls, Gia Long, Reno, and Great Sap in Sarawak River. King Gia Long, from 1762 to 1820, the king established Nguyen dynasty came to this land and ordered the construction of the road to the waterfall. He also had a stone embankment to prevent the water eroding the land. The relic shows that the current embankments are still formed and to the job. Gia Long Waterfall is about 6.2 kilometers from Braeside Waterfall and about 13 kilometers from National Road number 14. It is in the middle of jungle, rivers and mountains. The water in the waterfall runs very fast, and the water column flows from the height of about 50 meters with the 100 meters width of Sarawak, which overflows the waterfall area to make it look like the boiling oil band flowing to the lower section. Gia Long Waterfall is also related to the space of jungle, which embraces the tempting lake, naked bathing lake. This is the natural creation which looks perfect like artificial with the width of 18 square meters. On the other hand, though it is located in private scheme of Sarawak, it still has the pure water line from the inside of the mountain. The natural landscape in this complex contains all the typical features: singing sounds of birds, special interlacing of ecology with resilience wood trees and fully done tourism infrastructures, etc. Therefore, the landscape has attracted many tourists to come and rest here. Some pictures of the Gia Long Waterfall.